2025, the ultimate tech battle is here. In one corner, quantum computers unlocking the universe's deepest secrets. In the other corner, artificial intelligence mimicking human genius with mind-blowing precision. But here's the plot twist that nobody saw coming. Maybe the real power lies in their explosive fusion. Which technology will dominate the future? Who will emerge victorious in this epic technological showdown that's reshaping our entire world? Welcome to Sciencepect, your gateway to cutting-edge science and technology. I'm here to dive deep into 2025's most revolutionary tech breakthrough with you. Why is Google's revolutionary Willow chip sending shockwaves through the scientific community? Could quantum internet actually become our reality within the next few years? Why is artificial intelligence desperately crying out for quantum power? And why are major financial institutions like Bank of America boldly claiming quantum computing could be humanity's biggest breakthrough since discovering fire? Let's start with quantum computing's absolutely mind-blowing journey. Back in the early 1900s, Albert Einstein called quantum entanglement spooky action at a distance. He was actually uncomfortable with the implications. Then in the 1980s, legendary physicist Richard Feynman made a prophetic statement. Nature isn't classical, it's quantum, and if we want to simulate it, we need quantum computers. But the real quantum revolution truly began in 2019, when Google shocked the world by declaring quantum supremacy. Now, just 6 years later, Google's latest Willow chip has achieved something that sounds like pure science fiction. It completed a calculation in just 5 minutes that would take today's most powerful supercomputers an incomprehensible 10 septillion years to finish. Quantum mechanics explained. But how exactly do quantum computers perform what seems like pure magic? This is where things get absolutely fascinating and slightly mind-bending. Traditional computer bits are like light switches. They're either completely off, representing 0, or completely on, representing 1. But quantum bits, called qubits, are like magical spinning coins that can be heads, tails, or spinning in the air, showing both at exactly the same time. This phenomenon is called superposition, and it's like having a computer that can explore multiple parallel universes simultaneously to solve problems. Here's where it gets really crazy. 2 qubits can try 4 different combinations at once. 3 qubits can handle 8 combinations, and if you scale up to just 300 qubits, you're dealing with more possible states than there are atoms in the entire observable universe. AI's incredible evolution. Now let's explore artificial intelligence's absolutely incredible journey to world domination. It all started in 1950 when brilliant mathematician Alan Turing posed one simple yet profound question. Can machines think? Fast forward to 2012, and the deep learning revolution completely changed everything we thought we knew about machine intelligence. Then 2022 happened. ChatGPT burst onto the scene and literally transformed how millions of people work, learn, and create every single day. By 2025, AI has become so integrated into our lives that it's practically invisible. It's in your smartphone predicting your next word, in your car preventing accidents, in hospitals diagnosing diseases faster than human doctors. But here's AI's dirty little secret that tech companies don't want you to know. It's an absolute energy monster. A single ChatGPT conversation consumes roughly 10 times more electricity than a simple Google search. We're talking about AI data centers that consume as much power as entire cities. AI's critical limitations. But artificial intelligence faces some seriously challenging limitations that go far beyond just energy consumption. First, there's the hallucination problem. AI systems confidently generate completely false information and present it as absolute fact. Then we have the infamous black box problem. Even AI researchers don't fully understand how these systems make their decisions, which is terrifying when AI is making medical diagnoses or financial recommendations. But perhaps the most concerning limitation is what experts call the scaling wall. For decades, Moore's law promised that computer chips would keep getting faster and more efficient, but we're now hitting fundamental physical limits. Transistors are approaching the size of individual atoms, and we simply cannot make them much smaller using traditional methods. This is creating a computational bottleneck that threatens to slow down AI development just when we need more processing power than ever before. Quantum AI fusion breakthrough. This is exactly where the quantum AI fusion creates an absolutely revolutionary breakthrough that's reshaping everything we thought we knew about computing. Quantum artificial intelligence doesn't just incrementally improve performance. It completely obliterates traditional limitations by solving complex problems up to 200 times faster than classical AI systems. Microsoft's groundbreaking achievement of successfully creating and manipulating 24 logical qubits represents a historic milestone in quantum error correction. This means quantum computers are finally becoming reliable and scalable for real-world applications. But the quantum AI revolution goes much deeper than just speed improvements. Google's quantum neural networks are rewriting the rules of machine learning. IBM's quantum machine learning algorithms are solving optimization problems that were previously impossible, and startups worldwide are developing quantum-enhanced AI applications that seemed like pure science fiction just a few years ago. Quantum Internet Revolution. But here's where things get even more mind-blowing. We're on the verge of a quantum internet revolution that will fundamentally transform global communications. China made history in 2016 by launching the world's first quantum communication satellite, proving that quantum-secured communication is not just theoretical but absolutely achievable. Meanwhile, Europe is investing billions in building the first continental-scale quantum internet infrastructure that will connect major cities with unhackable quantum communication channels. Quantum key distribution technology makes it theoretically impossible for hackers to intercept communications without being detected. And quantum cryptography promises to create the most secure communication systems in human history. This isn't just an incremental improvement in cybersecurity, it's a complete paradigm shift that could make current hacking techniques completely obsolete. Global quantum race. Right now, there's an absolutely massive global quantum race happening with over $100 billion investments at stake. The United States has launched the National Quantum Initiative with $5 billion in funding to maintain technological leadership. China is going all in by building a $15 billion quantum research city that will house the world's largest concentration of quantum scientists and engineers. The European Union's quantum flagship program has committed $1 billion to ensure Europe remains competitive in the quantum revolution. Japan recently shocked the world by announcing a staggering $7.4 billion quantum investment, while Spain committed $900 million to quantum research and development. The United Nations has officially declared 2025 as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology, recognizing that quantum computing is not just another technological advancement. It's a matter of national security, economic competitiveness, and global technological supremacy. Industry revolution. The quantum AI revolution is about to completely transform every major industry in ways we're only beginning to understand. In pharmaceutical research, quantum computers are finally solving the protein folding problem that has puzzled scientists for decades, potentially accelerating new drug discovery by 10 times or more. The financial industry is experiencing a quantum revolution in risk analysis, with quantum algorithms processing market data and optimizing investment portfolios in ways that were previously impossible. Global logistics companies are using quantum optimization to revolutionize supply chain management, reducing costs and environmental impact simultaneously. The automotive industry is leveraging quantum computing to develop next-generation battery technologies and discover new materials that could make electric vehicles more efficient than ever imagined. But perhaps most exciting of all, quantum-enhanced artificial intelligence is paving the way toward what researchers call artificial superintelligence, AI systems that could exceed human cognitive abilities in virtually every domain. The dark side. But with great power comes great responsibility, and the quantum revolution brings some genuinely concerning risks that we absolutely must address. Quantum computers powerful enough to break current encryption systems could potentially render all existing cybersecurity measures completely useless overnight. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which rely on current encryption methods, could become vulnerable to quantum attacks. We could be facing the end of digital privacy as we know it, with quantum-enhanced surveillance systems capable of monitoring and analyzing human behavior on an unprecedented scale. There's also the terrifying possibility of quantum warfare, where nations could use quantum computing to launch devastating cyber attacks against critical infrastructure, financial systems, or military networks. The quantum revolution could create a new form of digital inequality, where only nations and organizations with access to quantum technology maintain any meaningful security or competitive advantage. Future timeline, 2025-2030. So what exactly can we expect in the next 5 years of this quantum AI revolution? 2026 could mark the first commercially viable quantum advantage, where businesses start using quantum computers to solve real problems faster and cheaper than classical computers. By 2027, we might see the first quantum internet pilot projects connecting major cities with unhackable communication networks. 2028 could bring us the first quantum smartphone prototypes, putting quantum-enhanced computing power directly in our pockets. 2029 might witness the breakthrough moment when quantum-powered artificial intelligence achieves true superintelligence, fundamentally changing human civilization forever. And by 2030, quantum AI fusion could become as common and essential as the internet is today, completely integrated into every aspect of our digital lives. This timeline might sound incredibly aggressive, but given the exponential pace of current breakthroughs, it's not only possible, it's becoming increasingly inevitable. The ultimate question. So here's the ultimate question that everyone wants answered. Who will actually win this epic technological battle? Will it be Google with their groundbreaking Willow chip and quantum supremacy claims? IBM with their roadmap to quantum advantage and enterprise focus? Microsoft with their unique topological qubit approach and cloud integration? Or will it be the geopolitical giants, the United States with massive government funding, or China with their quantum city and satellite achievements? Here's the truth that might surprise you. This isn't actually a battle where someone wins and everyone else loses. This is more like an incredible technological dance where quantum computing and artificial intelligence amplify each other's capabilities exponentially. The real winners will be the organizations, countries, and individuals who understand that the future doesn't belong to either quantum or artificial intelligence. It belongs to the explosive fusion of quantum-powered AI working together in perfect harmony. Revolutionary impact. The implications of this quantum AI revolution extend far beyond just faster computers or smarter algorithms. We're talking about fundamentally transforming human civilization itself. Imagine AI systems powered by quantum computing solving climate change by discovering revolutionary new materials for carbon capture. Picture quantum-enhanced medical AI diagnosing and treating diseases before symptoms even appear. Envision quantum-powered space exploration. AI designing missions to Mars and beyond with unprecedented efficiency. This isn't just technological progress, this is the next chapter in human evolution, where our tools become so powerful that they help us transcend our current limitations and tackle challenges that seem impossible today. Epic conclusion. 2025 is absolutely undeniably a turning point in the entire history of human technology and civilization. This isn't just quantum versus AI. This is the dawn of the quantum-less AI revolution that will reshape everything we thought we knew about what's possible. This represents far more than just another technological advancement. We're witnessing the emergence of tools that could help humanity solve our greatest challenges, explore the furthest reaches of space, and unlock the deepest mysteries of existence itself. The future is arriving faster than anyone predicted, and it's more incredible than science fiction ever dared to imagine. If you want to stay ahead of this revolutionary wave and discover the latest breakthroughs as they happen, make sure to subscribe to Sciencepect and join our community of future-focused explorers. Together, we'll continue to dive deep into the cutting-edge science and technology that's reshaping our world. Thank you for joining this incredible journey with us. The quantum AI future starts now, and it's going to be absolutely extraordinary.